This presentation analyzes the responses of participants at the Transportation Assets and Barriers workshop held in Gilmore City on February 25th. The information in the following slides aims to inform the Gilmore City Visioning Committee and Design Team during the design process. Different transportation users typically have different needs and priorities. Older adults want access to local services. Active recreationists want to be challenged while engaged in physical activity. Parents are concerned for the safety of their children. Mobility challenged individuals want smooth surfaces and safe traffic crossings. Youth want complete sidewalks and safe traffic crossings. We conducted focus groups with people from each of these demographic groups to obtain a complete picture of the transportation system in Gilmore City. All user types travel around Gilmore City by driving and walking. Older adults, parents, youth, and active recreationists bike and drive UTVs around town. Youth ride the school bus to school, and mobility challenged individuals use wheelchairs. The school grounds on Southeast 4th Street are popular among older adults, mobility challenged individuals, parents, and active recreationists. Actives enjoy how low traffic the area is, and older adults and parents appreciate the pastoral scenery. Older adults and parents also like watching their children play in the ball fields. Gilmore City residents appreciate the more recreation area in Quarry Road because of their connection to nature and recreational opportunities. Actives and parents note the potential for Quarry Road to connect further as a bike trail, and youth enjoy the fishing opportunities at the lake. City Park is popular among mobility-challenged individuals, youth, and actives. Residents like City Park's central location, which makes the park easy to get to. Youth and mobility-challenged individuals appreciate the park shelter, which has a handicap-accessible ramp. Youth also appreciate the ball court and often use the park as a hangout spot. However, mobility-challenged individuals find the rest of the park difficult to access. During the focus groups, participants also identified undesirable features in town. Inadequate, broken, or missing sidewalk infrastructure makes it difficult for pedestrians to safely access important amenities, especially downtown. Heavy traffic, primarily along Highway 3 and Quarry Road, creates a challenging environment for drivers, pedestrians, and cyclists alike when attempting to access locations like Moore Recreation Area. Residents also spoke about poor road conditions, including challenges such as steep road crowns that hinder pedestrians, bikes, and snow removal, and gravel roads that get muddy. Other undesirable features include drainage concerns around town and in Sunset Park, and limited lighting outside of downtown. Finally, focus group participants had the opportunity to tell us what changes they wanted in Gilmore City. Increasing trail connections to destinations in town, such as linking Sunset and City Parks, and regionally connecting destinations like Moore Recreation Area and Three Rivers Trail, was discussed by all user groups. All groups also desired more outdoor recreation amenities in town, including ADA-accessible play equipment, public restrooms, trash cans, a dog park, and a water fountain at City Park. Mobility-challenged individuals, youth, and parents would like to see the sidewalk network be more continuous throughout town and be ADA accessible. Finally, mobility-challenged individuals, older adults, and parents are interested in improving the lighting throughout town. If you have any questions about this presentation or the community visioning process, contact the members of your local visioning committee or check us out on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. A complete set of assessment presentation boards can be found on the Gilmore City webpage at www.communityvisioning.org/Gilmore-City.